It's summertime. The sun is shining. And everything is warm and bright. Ahmed and Amina step outside, ready for a day full of kindness. Amina curious. Ahmed, why are you putting water in that bowl? Ahmed smiling. It's really hot today. Birds and animals get thirsty too. The Prophet Muhammad taught us to be kind to all creatures. Cut to a small bird drinking happily. Ahmed just earned a reward from Allah. Even giving water to a thirsty bird is a good deed. Amina pointing. Look, that old uncle is carrying heavy bags. Ahmed, let's help him. They run to help an old man carry groceries. Old man smiling. Jazakum Allahu khairan. My dear children, helping others is a sunnah. Our beloved Prophet always cared for neighbors and elders. Amina, these flowers look thirsty too. Ahmed grabbing a watering can. Let's water them. Allah loves those who care for the earth. Kids at home with Mama. Mama, Subhanallah. You both did so many good deeds today. Helping people, birds, and even plants, all for the sake of Allah. Amina, I want to do it every day, Mama. Kindness never takes a break, not even in summer. Let's all look around and spread goodness. Just like Ahmed and Amina. Be kind this summer to people, to birds, and to nature. Allah loves kindness. Subscribe to Mighty and Discovery for more Islamic kids stories.